Riu Wangeci wa Kariuki niarikitie kwanika na kuhithuria ndeto cigegetie a Kenya muno na akiariria arata a Betty Bayo kuria niaugite we ena uma na nioi wega for a fact Betty ndarari na arata aya maraita arata marari arata fake na muno makiria akiaddress aria ahonoki. Riu Wangeci niaugite acio ni andu mabatie gukorwo magitiga uhonoki na makorwo magikara ta andu a kawaida ta ehia aria angi tondu they are full of hypocrisy. Na riu aikiana rugano kana uria we eyoneire acerete mucii kwa Betty Bayo ati ni hari na mundu murata wa Betty Bayo maikarire na Tash mathaa matatu mehingirite handu me wika matoi niki meranaga niki maragirira na guti mundu ungi wari nao. Undu uria Wangeci wa Kariuki augite no amutigira na ciuria muno na akiuria why would someone who claims to be a friend do that, niki magikorwo marerana na muthuri wa Betty. Na oho akigweta nginya Shiro Stewart uria niaugite ni ari kuona agikimuria agire kuingirira niki agire guthii kwenda kumenya niki murata ucio marerana na muthuri wa Betty niki why were they all silent. Na oho agikiuria niki micemanio yacemanagio gutari na mami wa Betty Bayo kana atekwirwo ni atia maundu marathie. If at all those were her friends, why would they seclude her mom? Niki kingibango muciari wa mundu ateko involve. Na akiaria iguru rigie Betty's cause of death, Wangeci niaugite we ndoi niki kioragire Betty na oho ona ndoi kana ni ma arata aya ake ni maregire kuruta thakame we ndoi no we kiria oi. Na she boldly has told Kenyans ni ati Betty ndarari na arata aya mareta arata ake ni arata fake. Take a look at what she's exposed na uria ugite iguru rigie arata aya a Betty Bayo.
Very fake. Angikorwo we murata wa mundu tika murata wa mundu wa ma na angikorwo nawe uracera na ndutari ni arata ku uturage wihingahingite tiga nao ikaraga we wiki na ndio arata ya turaririria ni arata honoki tutiraririria Wajacari tutiraririria Wanjiru waya utiraririria tutiraririria ndu manyua gatani ati no ugikorwo we na hangover nduraigua nginya kwaria tondu rimwe mundu ni agikorwo ni akinyuire muno ndurakienda kwariria mundu. We are talking of a person of people who are saved. Niona ndiraririria kiria kioragire Betty tondu ona ndiui ona ndiari hakuhi nake ona ndimui ndaririria kiria ni ndonire muthenya ucio na kiria kiratuma njaririe ni riri mami wao ri arauga ndariirio niki na angikorwo mami ucio ni ariirio arahenania niki. There must be a problem. Apana andu riu ni guthiga megutigana na uhonokio okorwo ni kunywa munywa munywe okorwo ni umaraya muhura muhure tondu Ngai ndendaga hinga. If there's something that I hate, it's hypocrisy. If there's something that I hate, is hypocrisy. Nyendaga uhinga na gutire hindi ngaririria uhinga na gutire hindi ngari uhinga. I think I have a problem. Because angikorwo ni murata wakwa nie nyendaga murata o uria ari na nduagirira arata akwa mari ona thina tondu ona nikoragwo ndina thina. Hapana. That was wrong. But either way, wacha Betty rest in peace. Mimi sijui nini ilimuua, lakini sijui hata sitaki kujua nini ilimuua, but there is something that I know. She didn't have a friend, by the way. By the way, she didn't have a friend. If whatever went through is true, I don't know even, niyo najui kana maregire kumuhetha kame, kana matiaregire kumuhetha kame, kana kuri undu wathire gutari nie ndioi, but there is one thing I know. If whatever Mama Betty said is true, there is a person who stayed 3 hours in a meeting. Whatever they discussed, I don't know, but even they never got to Mama Betty's ear. That is hypocrisy. Because niye ingiririria murata wakwa kina muthuri wake nina toi no gitungira tiga nyina kiria turaririria and niki gituma twaririria. In fact, the other thing that I've been asking myself is Shiro Stewart ucio na nie to haha ri agite gukorwo mucemanio ucio niki giatumire Tash maikare na mucemanio na mundu ucio murata wa Betty mathaa matatu ona Tash ucio ndanjui ni matetete Shiro Stewart. Ciro cio tondu ndamukorire kuu na ndimuoĩ ri agite gukorwo mucemanio ucio wa mathaa matatu ki niki mahagiriria kiu Ciro atari ho na ni murata uria wa Ciro tondu ni murata uria wa ukuaga nginya ciana cia Betty ri na Ciro ndwaragia Ciro waraga kwaria uguo niki